Good morning, students. Very good morning. Today we shall discuss some problems. Earlier classes we have learned function, one function, onto function, and bijection. Bijection means one and onto. How can we prove one and onto? Yes, already we have learned definitions. Let f mapping from A to B be a function. Be a function. Here you know A is domain, B is codomain. Yes or no? Yes. Here one क्या है? one क्या है? one. Yes. Let. Otherwise, first definition क्या है? Different elements have different images. Very good. Different elements x1 not equals to x2, that implies f of x1 not equals to f of x2. Here x1 comma x2 belongs to A. You can take x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. Yes, this is definition, original definition, and we have to prove here f of x1 is equals to f of x2. That implies x1 is equals to x2. दोनों equal. x1 comma x2 belongs to A. x1 different elements have different images, or same images have same elements. दोनों equal. Here we are also using this statement. one prove करना पड़ेगा. Then we are also using this statement f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2, that implies x1 is equals to x2. सभी ये याद करिए, सभी. Understand? Yes, this is most very important statement. one prove करना पड़ेगा. We are also using this statement only. Next, onto definition क्या है? सबको पता है. Every element in codomain there exists unique preimage in domain. That is every element in codomain. So this is B. So let you can take one element in B. Y belongs to B. There exists X belongs to A such that very good, f of x means range is equals to codomain. Range is equals to codomain. Y means y in B, so that is codomain. F of x means range is equals to codomain. F of x is equals to y. ये prove करना पड़ेगा. This is very important statement. You can read it. Okay, very important. ये दो स्टेटमेंट्स याद करिए, वन का ऑन टू का याद करो. ऑटोमेटिकली सम्स यू आर आल्सो डूइंग नाउ. हियर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? एग्जाम्पल 7 इजी है. एग्जाम्पल 8 हम करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल 8 क्या है? एग्जाम्पल 8 show that the function f mapping from n to n given by f of x is equals to 2x is 1 but not onto. Very easy. Okay, listen carefully. Very easy question, and one question you can understand, then all questions are easy. Now here given function क्या है? f mapping from n to n, and very good, f of x is equals to 2x. Here domain क्या है? कोडोमाइन क्या है? बताइए. Very good, this is the domain, this is the codomain. This is domain, this is codomain. Very good. Function क्या है? f of x is equals to 2x. How can we prove 1 1? Yes, very good. 1 1 1 1 definition क्या है बताएं, लिखो. 1 1 definition क्या है? सेकंड स्टेटमेंट. You can use this second statement. Second statement क्या है? Consider. Very good. Consider. Otherwise, let f of x1 is equals to f of x2. That implies क्या प्रूव करना पड़ेगा? x1 is equals to x2 प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. This is the 1 1 definition. Yeah. Now here consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2. फंक्शन क्या है? f of x is equals to 2x. f of x is equals to 2x. अंदर क्या है? x. इधर क्या है? x. So f of x1 क्या है? Very good, very good. 2x1 is equals to 2x2. 2 get cancelled. x1 is equals to x2. Already have proved here. F of x1 is equals to f of x2. Consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equals to x2. So f mapping from n to n is 1 1. Very good, very good. Very easy. This is next. On to definition क्या है? सबसे पहले y belongs to B means you can take first every element in codomain. There is just a unique pre-image in domain. Now here codomain क्या है? Definition: y belongs to n. There is just x belongs to domain. Y belongs to codomain. There is just x belongs to n such that f of x is equals to y. f of x is equals to y. This is statement. f of x क्या है? 2x. Very good. f of x क्या है? 2x is equals to y. x is equals to y by 2. Here y belongs to क्या है? Here y belongs to क्या है? n. Very good. What do you want? y by 2. y by 2 belongs to n or does not belongs to n? बताइए. y belongs to n. y belongs to n means you can take only natural numbers. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 belongs to n or does not belongs to n? Yes, fail. So does not belongs to n. So x is equals to y by 2 does not belongs to n. X does not belongs to n. So x does not belongs to n. By definition क्या है? By definition x belongs to n. x belongs to n. So fail. So f is here x does not belongs to n आ गया. But definition x belongs to n. So f is not onto. So the function f mapping from n to n given by f of x is equals to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. Or understand? Very good. Now 9th question. Prove that the function f mapping from R to R, okay, is 1 1 and onto. Is 1 1 and onto. R to R. Okay. 8th question क्या है? n to n. Here क्या है? R to R. Now we will check. Okay. Start. 1 1 का डेफिनेशन क्या बताइए? वेरी गुड. लेट f of x1 is equals to f of x2. That implies, सभी याद करिए, मोस्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेटमेंट, x1 is equals to x2. Let we have to prove x1 is equals to x2. Consider this, that is the definition. Consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Yes. 2x1 is equals to 2x2. 2 get cancelled. x1 is equals to x2. So f is 1 1. Very good. Yes. Now on to very good, very good. Let y belongs to, here कोडोमाइन क्या है? R. y belongs to R. There exist. डोमाइन क्या है? R. So x belongs to R. Such that फॉर्मूला क्या है? f of x is equals to y. f of x क्या है? 2x is equals to y. Yes, f of x 2x है ना? x is equals to y by 2. Yes. Here now y क्या है? y belongs to R. Yes, y belongs to R. What do you want? Y by 2. Y by 2 belongs to y. You can take any real number. Y by 2 is also real number. Yes or no? So x is equals to y by 2 belongs to R. So x belongs to R. By definition क्या है? By definition x belongs to R. x belongs to R. दोनों इक्वल. देख लीजिए आंसर क्या आ गया? x belongs to R. डेफिनेशन क्या है? x belongs to R. So by definition x belongs to R. So f is onto. So f mapping from R to R given by f of x is equals to 2x is 1 1 and onto. Are understand? Yes, very good. Same all problems like that. Next one, 10th question. 10th question क्या है? Show that the function f mapping from n to n given by f of 1 is equals to f of 2 is equals to 1. Okay, and f of x is equals to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is onto but not 1 1. Okay, here how can we show that 1 1 onto but not 1 1? Okay, given f of 1 is equals to क्या है? f of 2 is equals to 1. f of x is equals to x minus 1, x greater than 2. Okay, very simple method is there. Here elements are already given. So what we have using here? Sets. Simple method, sets. Here domain का एलिमेंट क्या है? Domain, this is the domain element. अंदर है ना एलिमेंट? Domain element 1. This is 2. So x greater than 2. x greater than 2 means 3. 2.1. But here domain क्या है? Natural number. Natural number means 1 2 3. Here 1 2. Next x greater than 2. आगे 3 4 3 4 5. Yes. Next one, images. Images क्या है? 1 इनपुट 1 दिया, आउटपुट क्या आ गया? 1 आ गया. इनपुट 2 दिया, आउटपुट क्या आ गया? 1. Yes. Yes or no? Input 1, output 1. Input 2, output 1. Here x greater than 2 means input 3. Input 3, f of 3 is equals to 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, 2, 4, 3, 5, yes, 4, and so on. But here, observe here. What is the definition? Different elements have different images. But here, different elements, 1 and 2 are different elements, but same image. Yes or no? Different elements have same image. F of 1 and f of 2, f of 1 and f of 2 are equal. Different elements have same image. But definition क्या है? Different elements have different images चाहिए. But here different elements have same images. So f is not 1 1. not 1. Simple we have to prove here. Or understand? Yes. On to. Yes, y belongs to codomain n. There exist, very simple, there exist x belongs to n such that same definition. We have to use same definition such that f of x is equals to y. Yes, f of x क्या है? फंक्शन क्या है? फंक्शन क्या है? फंक्शन x minus 1 is equals to y. x is equals to y plus 1. Here observe here. y क्या है? y belongs to n. y belongs to n. What do you want? y plus 1 you want? Yes or no? y plus 1. y belongs to n. y plus 1 also belongs to n. Why? Y belongs to n. You can take any natural number of, that is y. For example, 1 plus 1, 2 belongs to n. So y plus 1 belongs to n. So x is equals to y plus 1 belongs to n. So x belongs to n. By definition क्या है? x belongs to n. By definition x belongs to n. दोनों equal. So f is onto. f is onto. Therefore, f mapping from n to n given by f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is onto but not 1 1. Or understand? Yes. Next, 11th question. Eleventh question क्या है? Show that the function f mapping from R to R. Show that the function f mapping from R to R defined as f of x is equals to x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. Show that the function f mapping from R to R defined as f of x is equal to x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. Yes, given function क्या है? f mapping from R to R, very simple, and f of x is equals to x square. डोमेन क्या है? रियल नंबर्स. कोडोमेन क्या है? रियल नंबर्स. ऑब्जर्व हियर. ओके, 1 1 डेफिनेशन क्या है बताइए? 1 1 का डेफिनेशन क्या है? वेरी गुड. लेट f of x1 is equals to f of x2. That we have to prove x1 is equals to x2. x1 is equals to x2. Consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Very good. f of x फंक्शन क्या है? x स्क्वायर. f of x1 क्या है? x1 स्क्वायर. f of x2 क्या है? x2 स्क्वायर. So x1 square is equals to x2 square, then x1 is equals to x2 plus and plus or minus also. But here real numbers positive and negative also. Yes or no? For example, here only n, that is natural numbers. Then we have to take only positive. Then x1 is equals to x2. Here r, so positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there. x1 square is equals to x2 square, then x1 is equals to plus or minus x2. Here, by the definition f of x1 is equal to f of x2, the temporal x1 is equal to x2 चाहिए. But here x1 is equals to plus or minus x2. So f is not 1 1, not 1 1. Next, onto. Yes, very good. Let forward study. Very good. Let y belongs to codomain R. There exists x belongs to domain R such that, very good, such that f of x is equals to y. This is definition. You can use f of x is equals to y. f of x क्या है? x square is equals to y. x is equals to root y. ठीक है, x is equals to root y. अभी चेक करिए, y belongs to R, root y belongs to, yes, 1 दे दो root 1, 2 दे दो root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, okay, but you can give negative numbers. Root y belongs to R or not? Yes, you can give positive numbers belongs to R, but you can give negative numbers does not belongs to R. How, sir? For example, root minus 1, root minus 2 does not belongs to R. So fail. So x is equals to root y does not belongs to R. Does not belongs to R. So x does not belongs to R. By definition x belongs to R. Observe here, x belongs to R. But here x does not belongs to R. So f is not onto. Or understand? Yes, very good. Next. Next question, show that the function, 12th one, show that the function f mapping from n to n, given by f of x is equals to x plus 1, x minus 1, if x is odd, if x is even. X is odd, x is even. Is both 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto means bijection. Okay. This is most very important question. CBSE final exam का question है. Very important question. Show that the function f mapping from n to n given by f of x is equals to set of x plus 1 if x is odd, x minus 1 if x is even, is both 1 1 and onto. Very important question. Very. Here, observe here, given same f mapping from n to n, yes, and f of x is equals to x plus 1, x minus 1 if x is odd, if x is even. First of all, we check 1 1 definition क्या है बताइए. 1 1 very good. Let f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then we have to prove x1 is equals to x2. First case 1, x is odd. Okay, case 1, x is odd, x is an odd. ठीक है, चेक करेंगे. Consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2. x is an odd, then function क्या है x plus 1, so x1 plus 1, x2 plus 1, 1 get cancel, x1 is equals to x2. yes, 1 prove किया. case 2 x is an even. Consider f of x1 is equals to f of x2. even का फंक्शन क्या है x minus 1, so x1 minus 1, x2 minus 1, minus 1 get cancel, x1 is equals to x2. so f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then we have to prove x1 is equals to x2, then f is 1 1. Are understand? Yes. Now we have to prove onto. Very easy. onto. ठीक है. onto definition क्या बताइए. very good. let कोडोमेन क्या है y belongs to n, there exist x belongs to n such that f of x नीचे लिखेंगे क्या. ओके, f of x is equals to y. देखो क्या प्रॉब्लम. f of x is equals to y. फर्स्ट केस x is an odd, चेक करें x is an odd. Okay, x is an odd, then what is the function x plus 1 is equals to y. x is equals to क्या है y minus 1. Here observe, check y belongs to क्या है, y belongs to n, y belongs to n, y minus 1 क्या है, y minus 1, what do you want, what do you want, y minus 1, y minus 1 belongs to be n, you can take 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 belongs to n है ना, okay, x is equals to y minus 1 belongs to n, y belongs to y minus 1 belongs to n, so x belongs to n. by definition क्या है, by definition क्या है, x belongs to n, x belongs to n, yes, so f is not, f is not, understand, yes, same way this is x is an odd, now you can take even here, case 1 here, next one case 2, case 2 f of x is equals to y, if case 2 क्या है, x is an even, x is an even, then what is the function, x minus 1 is equals to y, x is equals to क्या है, y plus 1, here you can check y belongs to n, so y plus 1 belongs to n, yes or no, so x is equals to y plus 1 belongs to n, so x belongs to n, by definition क्या है, by definition x belongs to n, so f is not, f is not, or understand, very good, very good, simply f of x, very very important question this is, okay.